Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to install HubSpot in WordPress. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to connect your WordPress site directly with HubSpot's powerful CRM, email marketing, live chat, forms, and analytics tools, all from one central plugin. Let's walk through the installation process step by step. First, you'll need to go to your WordPress website dashboard and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard interface where all your site management tools are located. This is your control center for everything WordPress related. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar where you'll find the main navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Plugins and hover over it. A submenu will appear with several options. From this submenu, click on Add New Plugin. This will take you to the plugin installation page where you can search for and add new functionality to your WordPress site. Once you're on the Add Plugins page, you'll notice a search bar positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Click into this search bar and type HubSpot. As you type, WordPress will automatically start filtering through thousands of available plugins to show you relevant results. In the search results, look carefully for the plugin named HubSpot-CRM, email marketing, live chat, forms and analytics. This is the official HubSpot plugin, so make sure you're selecting the correct one. You'll find it displayed as a plugin card with the HubSpot logo and name clearly visible. On the plugin card, you'll see an Install Now button located in the upper right corner. Go ahead and click this button. WordPress will now download and install the plugin files onto your website. This process usually takes just a few seconds depending on your internet connection. Once the installation is complete, the Install Now button will automatically change to an Activate button. This is an important step because installing the plugin doesn't make it functional yet. Click the Activate button to enable the HubSpot plugin on your WordPress site, and that's it. You've successfully installed and activated HubSpot on your WordPress website. You can now start configuring your HubSpot settings and connecting your CRM to enhance your site's marketing and customer management capabilities. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.